Imagine a world where you don't need fame, followers, or even a face to make money, where your laptop and creativity can earn more than your 9-to-5 job. Welcome to the Faceless Revolution, powered entirely by AI. Hey, welcome to Money Minds, the channel where we show you real ways to earn online, leverage AI, and build digital income streams without showing your face. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to join our Faceless Creators community. The world of online income has changed. Students, freelancers, and creators are discovering that AI can replace tedious work. From writing and design to video editing, everything can now be automated. And the best part? You don't need to show your face or spend thousands on equipment. AI tools have become our digital partners. ChatGPT writes scripts, Midjourney and Leonardo create stunning visuals, 11 Labs gives a human-like voice, and CapCut or Pika edits videos, all automatically. Together, they build a faceless empire that runs while you sleep. Meet Alex, who earns $200 a day by publishing AI-generated shorts. Mia sells AI art on Etsy, while others run faceless YouTube channels making thousands monthly. The common factor? Automation, creativity, and consistency. You don't need a background in tech. Start small, pick a niche, use AI tools, and produce content consistently. Write a short article, generate AI art, or create quick videos. Every effort compounds over time. This isn't a local trend. From London to Toronto, Sydney to New York, people everywhere are building digital income streams. Faceless creators are no longer invisible. They're unstoppable. Many fear AI will replace jobs. The truth is, AI won't replace you. Someone using AI will. Embrace the tools, learn the workflow, and focus on creativity. Your mindset determines whether AI is a threat or a partner. Faceless income comes in many forms. AI-generated YouTube videos, selling digital art or templates, writing and publishing ebooks, automating social media content, affiliate marketing using AI scripts. The opportunities are endless if you know the right tools. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with what you have today. Every video, design, or idea has the potential to earn. Focus on consistent creation, learning, and automation.